Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks for Coins and welcome to the channel. I have a new video for you today. This is an in the post video and it's in the post number 27. I have about 5 things to show you. The first of them, and I've been waiting a while for a lot of these coins. You'd have seen in the last video, in the post video, in the post 26, I showed the Dumbledore and a couple of other coins off. These were, I've been waiting for quite a while. Right, it's taken a while to get these out, I do apologise. There are 2 coins exactly the same. One will go into my blue card collection, the other one will be removed from the blue card and will include me going into my date run. This is the card itself. It is the Flying Scotsman, £2 in a very short period of time. I have quite a few videos to catch up on now that I've had all these coins suddenly arrive in the matter of about 7 or 10 days. I seem to have received virtually everything that was outstanding to me. So I have enough stuff to produce 3 in the post videos. This is the second part of the in the post. I have 2 sets of 5 coins each that come from Egypt. That's the first set. There. Oops, let me just take you out a little bit. Just take you out a little bit. Oh, come on. That's the first set. And this is the second set. Both of them have five coins each. I think of the 10 coins, I think there's 7 or 8 different ones, which is why I had to buy both sets of 5. These will be coming as 2 separate videos, or maybe one combined video. I haven't decided yet. So that's the first, that's the second set, and here's the first set. We have all sorts of different, I think they're all called different £1 type coins from Egypt, which I thought was very nice. They were nice coins. The most obvious one that everybody I think has probably seen by now is the Tutankhamun Death Mask one, which is the one that's just here. So that's 2 sets of 5 coins from Egypt. Need to do a bit of research on those before I bring you the actual videos. One that I thought I had in my collection, but I haven't been able to find, so I've repurchased. And second one is this one here. This is the 1960 crown that was issued at the New York exhibition. So it has the crown with the 4 shields up. Same crown as is sold elsewhere. The difference with this one is this one's got the 5 shillings on, and it's also got a date of 1960. It was the one that was issued for the New York exhibition. Starting last year and carrying on this year, there is a thing called the United States Quarters Women's. I have on pre-order, the second year selection of 5 coins. This is the first of those 5 coins. This is Bessie Coleman. I will be doing a review of these coins at a later time, but that is there's both the P and the D mint. There isn't the S. I believe there is also an S mint, but I think that's more a collector's coin. These are the ones that are going into circulation, the P and D mint. So we have, let me just widen up. We have the US quarters showing Bessie Coleman, who is the first of this year's 5 coins for the United States of America women's quarters. We have a second coin to do with America, and that is the 1960 UK New York crown, for the crown that was for the New York exhibition. We have 2 copies of the Flying Scotsman coin, and we have 2 bags of 5 coins each from Egypt, depicting different types of £1 coins that they've had. So that is the 5 different sets of coins that I've got to show you on this particular in the post. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, if you feel I deserve it. I am slowly growing the channel again this year, and I'm very, very happy with the growth so far, but I would still like to hit between 200 and 250 subscribers this year. I think I'm currently at about 150. This is being recorded on the 11th of March, so over the next 9 months or so I'd like to try and increase by maybe 100 more. Very difficult, I know, but I set myself a target originally of 200, and in the first 2 months I've gained nearly 50 subscribers, so I'm pushing myself a little bit more. However, only do it if you believe I deserved your subscription. For everybody, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one, you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Ta-da now.